What's up, it's Jake. I'm here, you're there, and this week I'm gonna be hustling as hard as I can because I'm moving out in less than a month, and I'm gonna put myself to the test, see if I'm really what I talk about, see how much money you can make, see how much I can make in a month, if I can pay rent, if I can afford to move out. I don't know, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna just do as much stuff as I can and get to it and bring y'all along with me. Let's go. Alright, sold the pressure washer for $40, got the money down here quarantining. Now I'm going back up to the school to meet with the principal to give him 2 more shirts. I just got a restock of shirts and he wanted 2 more. Alright, about to go put the signs out for my friend's pressure washing business. He lives in Ocala, which is 352, and I'm putting them in Orlando. You always want to have a local number. Well, not always, but it's a very better idea to have a local number. So I'm in 407-321, so I put my number on here. And then whatever I get, I just send to him, or I schedule it for a day, tell him. And then I'll either get a percentage of all the sales, or I'll do it with him if it's a huge job. All right, I'm gonna go put a bunch of these out, flood the city real quick. Don't flood it too much. People do get mad at you sometimes, just know that, but they work. There's certain things that do work.
This is for my dogs riding on bicycles, late night headlights trying to sell them nickels. It's alright, it's okay, just remember, don't shit where you stay. This is for my dogs riding on bicycles, late night headlights trying to sell them nickels. Let's go. It's alright, it's okay, just remember, don't shit where you stay. Remember when you thought your friends would never catch the vapors? Y'all was in the dark, chilling in the park with the trailers. Your friend was your kid, they could depend on a favor. Money, cash, or car, just bring it back later. You wanna kick it, but you're broke, man, okay. Every dollar I got, you got $1 the same. I got your drink, beer, dank, and your cover too. No need to thank me.
Tuesday morning, we're here working on a rod and try to finish this one this week and raffle it off on Instagram. Maybe 30 tickets at $10. Got this from Holden for 20. I'm completely stripping it and rebuilding it. It's a sick rod. Hopefully we'll make some money on this one. And we got some other rods in the process of drying 2. I have another giveaway rod, and then I'm building 3 other rods to try to sell this week because I have sitting on a lot of stock and I need to get it out and build it. Just sold 4 shirts, $140, plus got a pressure washing job quote on the house. So we gotta do a quote for it, and she might let us pressure wash, or might let John pressure wash. That's cool. Get 2 birds done at once with that one. Bam, $25, just like that. Literally found that when we were driving on the side of the road 2 days ago. Just sold it for a dub. 5 Cinco, Bente Cinco Dolares, no work. Alright, it's Wednesday morning. I'm up way late, didn't fall asleep till like 5 a.m. Terrible. But we're here at the lake to take pictures of these 2 rods, a UCF rod and this other rod I haven't finished yet, but I want to get a picture of the cork because it's sick. This rod's gnarly. And then this lady's coming to pick it up, and I'm going to try to sell her a t-shirt too while she comes. And then I got a guy coming to get a guide repair also. Nothing, just smile. Thank you. All right, that lady just got her UCF rod, and I tried to upsell her with the shirt. It's dope having these. No, I'm talking to the camera. And it's dope having these shirts because every time someone comes to pick up a rod or drop one off, if it's a custom or guide repair or whatever it is, I can show them the shirts and they love them. So I'm doing a 10, well not 10, but average a $16, $17 guide repair for each guide. That's like my average for one. So if someone gets a $16 guide repair, I make like 10 on that, maybe less. But then I sell them a shirt too and make extra 15, and then I get exposure, so that's dope. Here's the rod he dropped off, broken guide, scratched up, super scratched up. Gonna replace it, maybe hit this, make that look new again. Cool little favorite. Selling this star rod right now. I'm at Publix, are getting cash. Make a very good profit on this. Incredible number. $50. That's what I'm selling it for. Let's get paid. Got 50. Now it's money after quarantine. Easy money. Thursday, 3:30 a.m. So it's really Friday, but I didn't really do much today. I'm ashamed of myself. Even might say disgusted, because I didn't get anything done. I'm not happy with how this week's going so far. Definitely gonna have to make a part 2 next week called hustling harder for a week. And then maybe I'll just keep like hustling harder for a week, hustling even harder for a week, hustling very hard for a week. And the final series, hustling as hard as I can for a week. And then make that how I make my week every week for the rest of forever until I hit my goals. So that I gotta get it. You know what is good though? So sick. I'm so happy that all y'all bought shirts because it's gonna be so gnarly to see everyone around College Park wearing them. And I already have been. I've already been seeing like people's Snapchat stories and like people just wearing it regular, not even like me telling them to wear it. Like obviously not telling people to wear it, but like they just have it on, and it's so freaking cool to see. It's really cool. I really did not make any money on the shirts. The girl who designed it made more money than me. Life is what you make it, so make it good. The real Friday morning. We're here. It's approximately 10:30. Got about 4.5, 5 hours of sleep, but that's a lot more than a lot of people. So I woke up to my phone absolutely blown up. Incredible. That's just cool. I had a terrible day yesterday due to my lack of trying and effort, being lazy. But then this morning, woke up, 5 or 6 things to do, just off people calling me. So that's awesome. I'm getting at it real quick today, real fast. Let's get it. That's all I can say. You know what I've been missing? Something to do in the morning. Like whenever I have like an appointment or have to meet someone at 7:30, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock or whatever, it gives me something that I have to wake up for. And this morning already feels way better, way more productive, and way faster than any morning I've had during this whole quarantine. It's actually the second best during the quarantine. But just because I woke up and have 5 things to do, like on my phone, I have different things I have to go do right now. So that, I don't know, I'm just getting way more done already just because it's morning. And let me tell you something, a big coffee cup, way better than a small coffee cup. One of the best things on earth ever made in the morning time. A big coffee cup, I'm telling you. Perfect. You like it? Sweet. 2 rods and 2 shirts to the old faithful, Christina. Shout out to Chris and Kyle, longtime friends. 210, going into quarantine. Easy money. Very great profit margin on those rods again. Most incredible. And there's a garage sale right here. What are the freaking chances? Actually, it's not even a garage sale. It's just 100 free things. Even better. And I was just looking for a fish tank yesterday. I found a snake to try to sell it, but then couldn't sell it, so I let it go. See that big ass salad? That's what I should be eating every day, but I don't. Tired, man. Got 3 rods, getting ready to get epoxied. 1 rod, 2 rod, 3 rods up there. Not 2 more rods right here, getting ready to get epoxied. So we'll have 5 turning tonight, and 2 more. 1 of those is completely finished. Just glued the final butt on. 2 of those right there will be epoxying tomorrow. It's late, man. 2 o'clock on Friday. Still got an hour to go, and then I'm gonna clean my house for an hour or 2, and then go to bed. Going around now to help my friend post some of his stuff. Help himself with his stuff. before he moves out. And I'll split the profit with him 50-50. Pretty good deal. Now that I've been doing these videos, people will hit me up to sell their stuff for them. It's pretty cool. I'll just sell their stuff and get 50%. Sunday night today, I took in 2 rods. This one, another one for one guy. 4 guides, 2 tips. I'll make about $70 on it. And also inlaying that shark tooth rod tonight. It's gonna be sick. Sunday night, 12:20 a.m. Total gas. Going to the post office to deliver 2 shirts on the bike, man. Let me tell you something, when you're out here at night by yourself riding around, it can get dangerous. Personally, me, keep it on my side just in case, hidden under my shirt. I'd rather get caught with it than without it. And with all the new cases going on, you just never know. So I always keep this with me just in case, I might touch something, it might have germs on it. I accidentally just dropped one and ran over it, so sorry if you get your package with a little tire mark in it. It's still good though, I'm sure. There you go. Oh. Know what I mean? Incredible shot. See if I can go down these steps. Well, folks, this is the end of the week. Definitely not satisfied with how I did. It was pretty terrible. I'm not even kidding. Could have done so much more. But it's tough right now. But that's just an excuse. No matter what, you should always be able to get it. All right, here's a couple of the rods we did. Cleveland Browns, a bass rod, a rod from my dad with shark teeth. Oh my God. That's not good. Shark's teeth inlaid. This one's not done yet, but it's sick. And this rod, we finished it up. Turned out pretty sick. Old school. Rebuild. Gnarly. This rod made a little more progress on. So the wrap's gonna go right here. This is a giveaway rod. Raffle. Alps real sweet. I like the colors a lot. It's gonna be gnarly. They're gonna pop once the epoxy's on, but that's a couple of rods we did this week. A couple of them already out, already gone, already sold. New segment, artist of the week. This week we got Renzel, aka Rose, aka the biggest boss, aka Rick Ross. And this week we've been listening to that Beautiful by Jeezy featuring Game and Rick Ross, that Santorini Greece, and that Aston Martin music. You see, I did a good amount of other stuff that I didn't video, whether I forgot to video it or it just wasn't to be seen on camera yet. So that's not all I did, but like I said, this just wasn't an insane week. I don't know. Could have done a lot better. But here's this. Book of the week. The Keys by really good book. I love hearing stories, and this tells a lot of stories, and I love DJ Khaled, everything about him, and his music especially. Go get this book, and have a good week, folks.